Good morning, students. Today we are starting the concept cubes. Now, in this concept cubes, we'll have one type of question wherein a cube is painted. There is a large cube. A large cube is painted on all the sides, on all the edges, on all the faces, and then that larger cube is cut into smaller cubes. And you have to tell that the smaller cubes in which the larger cube is cut, how many surfaces of that smaller cubes are painted. And if it is given that 3 surfaces are painted, then you have to tell that how many smaller cubes will be there whose 3 surfaces are painted. Then how many smaller cubes are there whose 2 surfaces are painted. And then how many cubes are there whose 1 surface is painted, and how many cubes are there whose no surface or 0 surface is painted. So these type of questions are there, but if you don't follow the shortcut, it will be difficult for you to find it out. So we'll just have the little concept in that and little few formulae which will help you to find out the answer for these questions. So for that, let us take a cube first. Now you know that in a cube, length, breadth and height all are same. It has 6 surfaces, 12 edges and 8 corners. That concept you know. Now I have made one cube. See, if I am taking this as a larger cube and we need to cut it into smaller cubes. For that, first you should know the sections along the edge which are cut. Let us suppose that 2 sections are there. I am making 2 equal sections along one of the length of a cube. Now, if I am making 2 sections along the length of a cube, it means that along this length, 2 cubes are cut. Okay. Now, if 2 cubes are cut along the length, 2 will be cut along the breadth and 2 will be cut along the height also. Right? We cannot have unequal number of cubes. From a cube, equal number of small cubes will be cut. So, what is the thing which you need to know about it? That if there are 2 sections made, then how many cubes will be cut? You will just take the cube of 2 and there will be 8 cubes. So, it will depend on the number of sections made along the edge. Number of sections made along the edge. If there are 2, then 2 cube, there will be 8 cubes in all, which will be cut from a larger cube. If let us suppose that 3 sections we are making, like 1, 2 and 3. If I am taking 3 sections, then your formula becomes 3 cube. So in all, how many cubes can cut? 27 cubes. So from that larger cube, how many small cubes can be cut? 27. Similarly, if we divide this length into 4 parts, from the length we cut 4 cubes, then how many cubes in all, that is in total, how many cubes will be cut from the larger cube? 4 cube, that is 64 cubes. Same way you will proceed. If it is 5, then 125 cubes can be cut from it. Right? So this was the first concept wherein we find that whatever sections are made along the edge, if we know that, then we can easily find that how many smaller cubes can be cut. Vice versa, or opposite to it, if we know in the question that 8 cubes are cut, if there is given in the question that a larger cube is there and from a larger cube 8 cubes are cut, then we know that how many sections were there? N. And in such questions, we consider this number of sections made along the edge as N. Okay. So if 8 cubes are there which are cut from a larger cube, then we know that our N is 2. If 27 cubes are cut, then we know that our N is 3. 64 cubes are cut, N is 4. And 125 cubes are cut, N is 5. Now it is becoming very easy for you to find the number of cubes with 3 surfaces painted. Like if we have to find that how many cubes can be cut, number of cubes which have 3 surfaces painted, with 3 surfaces painted, it is always fixed. It will always be 8. Whenever it is asked that how many cubes will be there, how many smaller cubes will be there whose 3 surfaces are painted and which are cut from the larger cube, for that your answer is always same. It is 8 because it depends upon the number of corners or number of vertices. Now you know that cube has 8 vertices. So only in the corners you will have those cubes which have the 3 surfaces painted. ठीक है, आपका जब बड़ा क्यूब को हम कट करेंगे तो छोटे छोटे क्यूब्स में कट होगा. नाउ इफ योर लार्जर क्यूब इज कट इनटू स्मॉलर क्यूब्स, देन out of all those cubes, if a question is asked that how many cubes are there जिसमें 3 surfaces painted हैं, बाकी surfaces नहीं, only 3 surfaces are painted, तो वो कितने होंगे? 8. Why 8? Because those cubes will be there which are at the corner. So how many vertices are there? 8. So that answer is always same for any number of cubes, be it 8 cubes, be it 27 cubes, 64 cubes, 125 cubes or 216 cubes. Whatever number is given, your 3 surfaces painted, answer will always be same, that it will be 8 because vertices will not change. Vertices will remain 8 for a larger cube. Now, if we have to find number of cubes with 2 surfaces painted, then your formula becomes n minus 2 into 12. What is this n now? N is 2 here. If your 8 cubes are formed, then n is 2. If your 27 cubes are formed, n is 3. And if your 64 cubes are painted and 64 cubes are cut, n is 4. So what is this n? N is the number of sections which are made along the edge. So just put this formula and find the answer. Number of cubes with 1 surface painted, it will be n minus 2 whole square multiply by 6. So you just have to learn these formulae and you will be done with your questions. The number of cubes with 0 surface or no surface painted, your formula becomes n minus 2 whole cube. So just learn these formulae and it will be very easy for you to solve the questions. Let's do the questions now. Few questions from this chapter were left which are based on cubes. So let's do those questions now. So look at this question number 7. So let's do this question. In the given figure, how many cubes have 4 of their sides painted? Now related to 4 sides, we have not done any formula. But you just have to look at the figure carefully and you have to identify. If you look at this cube, just see 1, 2, 3 and 1 face will be there at the back. So that means here we can see that 4 faces are painted. If you look at this cube, 1 and 2, only 2 are there which are visible to us and which are painted. Other ones are just hidden inside other cubes. If you look at this, again 1 and 2. If you look at this, it is 1, 2 and third one is there at the back. So it is 3. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 3. If you look at this, only one face. Only one face. This one, 1, 2, 3 and 1 is there at the back. So 4 faces. This one, 1, 2, 3, 1 at the back and 1 this side. So it will have 5 faces. Right? Then this, only one face, this, one face, this, 1, 2, 3, then this side 4 and again back at the back 5. 1, 2, 3 and 1 at the back. So it will have 4 and 1 cube you can see it is here also, which is not visible to us, just a portion of it is visible, but we can see that it is like this only. So it will have 4 faces painted. So in total, how many cubes are there which have 4 faces painted? These are 4. So your answer is 4. Right? Moving on to the next question. Question number 12. Let's have that. All the faces of cube are painted with blue color and the cube is cut into 64 equal small cubes. Based on this, answer the following questions. How many small cubes have no faces colored? Up you can see that the larger cube is cut into 64 smaller cubes. Now if 64 smaller cubes are there, what will be my n? What will be my n? My n will be 4. I told you that whenever your n is 64, your n is 4. So अब 64 cubes में कट हुआ तो हमारा n क्या है? 4. Now you have to just solve these questions. How many cubes have no faces colored? No faces colored. Your formula is n minus 2 cube. So you can say that 4 minus 2 whole cube. Just this formula you have to put. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 cube is 8. So our answer will be 8. Right? Next question. How many small cubes have only one face colored? One face colored. Formula is n minus 2 square into 6. So put the value. N is 4. 4 minus 2 square into 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 square into 6. 2 square is 4. 4 into 6. So your answer is 24. So you can take the answer 24. Next is, how many small cubes are there whose 3 faces are colored? For 3 faces, you know the answer. Answer is always 8. I told you, whenever your 3 surfaces are painted, answer is always 8. So just for this question, you'll tick the answer 8. Right? Moving on to the last one. How many small cubes are there whose 2 faces are colored? For 2 faces, we know the formula is n minus 2 into 12. You can see that n minus 2 into 12. So put the value 4 minus 2 into 12, which is 2 into 12, 24. So again, for this question, answer is 24. I hope this concept has become easy now. If you learn the formula, then your questions are very easy. Moving on to the next question. This also was left. We have not done this question earlier. All surfaces of a cube is painted. Now, the cube is cut into 216 small cubes of equal size. How many smaller cubes have no surface painted? Again, now 216 smaller cubes are formed. 216 means when 216 cubes are formed, you know that 216 is a cube of 6. That means our n will be 6 now. Our n is 6 for this particular question. Now, first part of the question is, how many smaller cubes have no surface painted? For no surface painted, your formula is n minus 2 cube. So just put the values. N is 6. 6 minus 2 cube, which is 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. So our answer is 64 for this question. Next is, how many smaller cubes have only one surface painted? Now again put the formula. For one surface painted, your formula is n minus 2 whole square into 6. Put the values. 6 minus 2 whole square into 6. 4 square into 6. 4 square is 16 into 6, which is 96. So the answer will be 96. Right? The next question is, how many smaller cubes have less than 3 surfaces painted? Now for this question, you have to just see that they are asking about the less than 3 surfaces. Less than 3 surfaces means you have to consider those cubes which have 2 surfaces painted and 1 surface painted. You are not going to take the cubes which have no surface painted, because they are not talking about the cube which is not having any surface painted. They have written the word painted, means you have to consider the cubes which have 2 surfaces painted and which have 1 surface painted. Now we know that the formula for the cubes which have 1 surface painted is n minus 2 square into 6. Now we know that n is 6 for this particular question. So 6 minus 2 square into 6, which is 4 square into 6, 16 into 6, 96. So for 1 surface painted, here we have how many cubes? 96. Let's consider for two surfaces painted, which the formula is n minus 2 into 12. So 6 minus 2 into 12, which is 4 into 12, 48. Let's add these two. 96 plus 48, 144. So our answer for this question will be 144. So this completes all your questions from this particular chapter, cubes and dice. Dice we've completed in my previous class, and today we have completed all the questions of cubes. So this chapter is completed. Just go through the video carefully, understand it, and if any problem is there, then please ask about it on my personal window. Thank you so much.